What's up YouTube, my name is Dennis and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a quick look into the KAWS Share Statue. So normally these statues are pretty pricey and I always look on YouTube to see if anyone's in like a review or a first look or basically anything on the statues before I try to purchase them. But most people don't tend to make videos on KAWS statues for some reason. So I'm just going to do a quick look so that you can see what it's like, and I'm going to compare it to other statues that I own so that you can make your decision on whether you want to purchase it or not. So the new shared companion is slightly taller than the flayed. I don't know if you have the flayed, but it's probably the most common. And the body itself is slightly fatter and larger. The head is larger, and it also obviously has the little toy that it's holding in the hand. So retail for this one is $360. It is very expensive, but it is a large figure compared to the holiday editions that I also own that are really small and are usually in the 200. Prices are somewhere around 450 to 480 right now on StockX if you want to get it. Personally, I don't think you'd regret having it in your collection. It's really nice. The pop of color from the toy definitely adds something that I feel like other recent statues have been missing. Also, really quickly before the video ends, I wanted to plug in my giveaway. I'm giving away a pair of Yeezy 380s. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, go tag one person on this picture right here. It's that simple. And you might be the new owner of a pair of Yeezys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoy content like this. Catch you in the next one. Goodbye.